Are you passionate about play and about supporting children and their rights? Do you want to make a difference to children and their families within your community? Working within breakfast clubs, after-school clubs and holiday clubs, Playworkers provide a safe and welcoming environment for children, with lots of opportunities to play, explore and inspire imaginations. With the help of Clybiau Cymru Kids Clubs, you can gain the qualification you need whilst working within an out-of-school club, helping you to understand all about the many benefits of play and the Playwork Principles.
I absolutely love working in the Playwork sector for so many reasons. The list is endless, but the most important thing is my job is fun. Every day is fun. Every day we're making memories.
I love being a play worker because I get paid to play. I can just be a big kid and enjoy myself. It beats being in an office job.
It's a privilege to work alongside the children.
I got into childcare 13 years ago because I had 2 young children. I went into early years and I started helping out in an after-school club and a play scheme, and I really fell in love with it because of how we covered the age range. And then I ended up doing all my qualifications, and I had an opportunity to support somebody doing training in Playwork, and I fell in love with seeing how the spark of people and how that much they developed in play. So I decided to get into assessing and become a training officer.
I started primary school teaching 8 years ago, a career which I loved, but recently I've decided to make a change and I currently work as a play worker in a setting that I love. I've been there since October 2018. A few of the things that appealed to me were that I thought I could still use my teaching skills because some of the roles are quite similar. So you're still in charge and looking after a large group of children, putting their welfare, their safeguarding at the forefront of everything you do. However, I feel with Playwork you have more of a chance to build a stronger relationship with the children. You get to enjoy the role and have more fun with it, really.
We're very fortunate that most of the children that join us when they're 4, we see them right through to their 11. So you can see kind of how they develop and they learn the new skill, like the look on their faces when they've achieved something and they've done it themselves. That, I mean, there's so much they get out of playing. I think diversity in the Playwork workforce is incredibly important because Wales is a multicultural society, and I just think it's important for children from ethnic minority backgrounds to be able to see somebody that looks like them.
Quite like about Playwork in that it's learning through play. The children, you give them the options and they can kind of choose to do what they want. It's not forced, you're not teaching them as such, you're just overseeing it, facilitating it.
Playworkers are the beating heart of the out-of-school childcare sector. As a Playwork professional, you'll provide quality childcare, enriching children through play, whilst also providing vital support to the wider economy. To find out more about starting your career in Playwork, visit www.clybiaucymru.org.
Make a difference, become a Playworker. Wnewch gwahaniaeth, byddwch yn gweithio chwarae.